What's something people don't know about parrots? They're basically feathered divas. Introducing the cheekiest character in the outback, the cockatiel. This pint-sized wonder is all about flair and attitude. With feathers as bright as its personality, it's known for mimicking sounds, and yes, even a bit of sassy backtalk. Think you can outsmart it? Think again. This feathery friend loves to steal the show, whether it's whistling a tune or pulling off some acrobatics. So next time you're in Australia, keep an eye out. You might just meet the feathered superstar with a quirk and a tweet. This cockatiel is more than just a pretty bird. It's a performer with pizzazz. Catch you later, mate.